Hi, this is Chris Sheeran, week 9, so on the HMO refurb. So let's see what everyone's been doing. Hope you enjoy. So we're up in the loft. As you can see, we've got the exposed chimney breast. We're going to put a desk in there now. Have to have a bit of a change around. It's all looking good. We're just about to start putting the windows in. We're going to put a little wardrobe in the corner there. It's all going on quite well. We've got doors coming on now. So the upstairs is now being plastered and painted. So we've got the upstairs, we've got a tiny little electric heater in this one, but we've got the infrared generally. So we've got all the switches going on now, and the doors. So it's all looking really good. We've actually got one of the bathrooms up and running now. So we've got the black taps with the white units looking pretty good. So just move downstairs. Just getting the doors in, and this is another bathroom that's close to completion with sanitary going in. And what you can see here now is the iHelios seating mats, which have been covered up pretty much in all locations now. So more of the windows going in, and look how we've got the drainage all backfilled now. So it's all looking pretty good out here. Things are moving on in terms of the paving. We've started now closing up the garden, and we're going to have the parking spaces on the outside. We started filling in some of the areas with the concrete. All still looks pretty rough out here, but it's definitely getting on. It's definitely progressing. So the garden's looking a bit better, and as you can see, we've now fully plasterboarded the kitchen. So we've got the pink fireboard to the where you have accommodation above, and normal fireboard where you don't, just pink fireboard in the beam. As you can see, it's all looking quite good now, with all the wires hanging down for all the spotlights and everything else. Yeah, just before I go, we've got windows in the loft, windows in the back, and we've got the patio doors in. Well done, Kieran.